What's up, guys? It's George, and in this video I want to talk about what it takes to become a leader. Because if you want to become a successful entrepreneur, then you have to have leadership qualities. And I want to start by sharing some of the best advice. This is something that I heard from one of my mentors years ago that I never forgot this. And he said, if you want to become a leader, then you got to be willing to break free from the sheep herd. He said, and you got to be willing to do two things. He said, number one, you got to be willing to look like a fool. And number two, you got to be willing to walk alone while looking like a fool. And this is so important. If you want to be a leader, then you got to be willing to break away from the herd. And you got to be willing to ruffle some feathers. When you break away from the herd, people aren't going to like that. And that's okay. Most importantly, you got to be willing to walk alone. Whether others want to join you or not, that's okay. A leader is one who can see the destination, they see the path, and they're willing to take action to go there, whether others want to join them or not. So you got to let go of the opinion of others. Leadership is not about ability, it's about mentality. Your leadership, that is produced from the attitude, your self-image. Leadership is about the attitude that is produced from your self-image, your self-worth, and your self-esteem, not based on the opinions of others. Other people's opinions don't mean anything to me. Your opinion of me, good or bad, doesn't mean anything to me. Whether you give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, a nasty comment, your opinion of me means nothing. What means something to me is my self-image, who I see in the mirror. And I have a rock-solid self-image. I believe in myself. I know my purpose in life. I see my vision. I know where I'm going. Whether you see it or not, whether you think I'm an idiot or this or that, it doesn't matter to me. Because I believe in myself. And that's what it takes to become a leader. All right? I want to keep this short, guys, but just remember, if you want to be a leader, then your self-image is most important. It is more important than the opinions of others. Because if your self-image is created from the opinion of others, then you're just a sheep. And you're going to go through life scared. You're just going to tiptoe quietly through life just to arrive at your grave safely. So let go of the opinion of others. It doesn't matter what anybody thinks about you. The only thing that matters is what you think about you, your self-image. All right? Now go out there, seize the day, become a leader, let go of what everybody else thinks about you, and focus on yourself and your self-image.